What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm here at Mitch's house. I'm actually filming Donovan's Ferrari, and he just got done doing these sick stripes on this beautiful 430. And if you guys want to go check out my reaction when I first walked into his garage, go check it out on his channel. I honestly was mind blown of how clean and perfect this turned out.
Thank you.
Yeah, you did a really good job on this, Mitch.
Thank you so much.
Donovan is getting his hair cut right now. Mitch is about to go pick him up, bring him back to the house. We're gonna film Donovan's reaction, and then we're gonna go, we're actually gonna put the audio recorder on the back of the bumper, film some audio, because you guys know this bad boy is straight piped, and Donovan just did the tips all black, looking super sick. It's way too windy to get some drone footage today, but it's all right. We're gonna come out with an even crazier video in the future. This one will be like 30 seconds. I'm gonna throw in here a little bit, but y'all gonna have to go check out my Instagram to watch the rest. But yeah, we're gonna do that. Throw the big lens on, go get some rollers as well, and just have some fun. So just stay tuned and enjoy the video. Donovan just texted us and said that he's at home, so Mitch and I are gonna load up in his Lexus, and we're gonna go get Donovan and surprise him. You ready for this?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Let's go.
It's dusty. So I'm gonna grab my sunglasses real quick.
All right.
From there.
Nice.
It was so much.
How many inches did you go out from the center point?
On each side it was like one and a quarter.
And then how wide did the stripes end up being?
The big stripes were
The black. Oh my God. Oh, hell yeah. Holy crap, dude. It needed this so bad. Mitch, these are perfect, dude.
Looks so sick,
God.
doesn't it?
Wow.
so it did the black base layer first, and then I did the whole thing in black and let it sit overnight.
God, this is exactly what I pictured. Exactly what I pictured in my head. Like, I knew this was going to be.
Up the little holes.
May I push through it or no?
I'm gonna take like a little knife and just make a little tiny hole just to
Oh my God, that's going to look ridiculous.
Yeah. All right, you guys, well, we're about to hop on the road and get into a sick little edit. So let's have some fun. Oh, it is the next day, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That was super fun. We got an epic video coming very, very soon with FPV drone footage, better sound, just a whole lot of ripping on it pretty much. But your boy decided not to wear a hat today. You know, I'm trying to look better because it makes me feel better. But we're gonna be taking Justine and Talon to their first ever car meet with me. There's a little car meet going on in San Antonio today. Donovan's not going to be there with his Ferrari. His Ferrari's having a little bit of trouble. Actually started having trouble yesterday when we were filming, so we were taking it very easy on the car. And but Donovan's, I think his old red R8 might be there, and I never really showed you guys an R8 he had. If you guys want to check out that video, that's when he had his R8, and then he bought the Ferrari at that meet. I know Ben is going to be there. Ben is a really cool homie, Supercars San Antonio, so I'll link their stuff in the top of the description below. Go check them out if you want any type of sick cars, supercars, anything. They got it, and they'll cut you a really, really sick deal. But yeah, we're going to go ahead, load up the car, and you ready, buddy?
Hey.
Are you ready to go? All right, let's go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and head down to San Antonio. I'll see you guys there.
And GTRs over here. So sick. God, this one's amazing. Right-hand drive. Freaking beautiful cars. So sick. And then this couple just pulled up over here. They're Type R's. God, I like the wheels on this one. It looks super clean.
Yeah, I was thankful that I was able to haul it. Got more than enough to haul it, I think.
You have fun, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck? Which car is your favorite? The red one?
No, that one
Oh, red one? I swear Porsches are calling my name. Look how sick this white one is.
I've done a few.
Beautiful. This is carbon fiber. Super clean. I'm telling you, next year. Next year. Like I told you before, we got a supercar at San Antonio over here. You gotta check them out. It's Donovan's old R8. They've been taking super good care of it, but they just got this Huracan and it's so sick.
Shift.
The color, this green is perfect. And the inside of this, the color on the inside is so sweet.
Gallardos, they suck because it's the same E-gear transmission, but it needs clutches.
The green interior on this bad boy is amazing.
So it saves a lot of money.
Oh, this BMW over here is sick. Super clean though. Look at this turbo. Nice size turbo up and down. The carbon fiber on this thing is awesome too. Check out this little spoiler here in the back. Beautiful, beautiful.
Just got back here to the house. I'm actually about to wash all the freaking mud Tom put on my car. I'm about to wash that off. Just went to HEB, grabbed some, what'd I grab? Oh, I grabbed some salmon, some asparagus, and some steak. So we're gonna throw that on the grill, have some steak, salmon, asparagus, and rice, dinner tonight, just eat good. Watch some TV for a little bit and just hang out. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Yesterday was so much fun filming with Donovan's 430 and just seeing Donovan in general and Mitch and everybody. It's just good people, good people. But yeah, didn't film as much as I expected today. Kind of just kicked it with the homies. Dude, that freaking green Huracan that Ben and the homies got over at Supercars in San Antonio is so sick. Like, I don't know, green is growing on me. And on a freaking Huracan, so sick. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Smash the subscribe button. Keep showing some love. And yeah, we'll see you guys either on Wednesday or Friday. I'm trying to upload on Wednesdays now too, so we're trying to get 2 times a week, but we'll see how that flows. See y'all either Wednesday or Friday. Peace.